Hey guys, it's Chacha here. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. So today I am going to be reviewing a product that I am using for the first time. I've never used this product before and I don't know how it's gonna work, if I'm gonna like it, if it's gonna work for my hair, may not work for my hair, might hate it, I don't know. So I will be using it today. It's the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mask. This particular mask, I've used many of their products. So far, most of them, probably like 90% of them, I love. I haven't had one that I've not liked yet. These are actually the final results. And to be completely honest, I kind of love it. Find out more in depth and more details about that, and also how to end up like this with my hair like this, if this is what you're interested in, or if you like it, if you don't like it, you know, just let me know and I will take that into consideration, or I might not. I haven't decided yet. So yeah, if you want to find out how to get to your hair like this, or if you want to find out more information about the product or how to use the product, just keep on watching. Oh yeah. Okay. Hey, so I did just get out of the shower, so my hair is pretty wet, and I shampooed my hair, just so you guys know, but I did not condition my hair. I will list below in the comments what I used for shampoo. And so my hair is I just cleaned the scalp. I just clarified with the shampoo. I didn't use a conditioner because I knew that I would be using this mask, and I wanted to see how it'll help my hair or what it's going to do to my hair. Honestly, normally when I'm using a mask, I do try to shampoo and conditioner before, and then I put the mask on too, because in my mind I think that's gonna make things like more conditioned. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's what I do. Pretty wet right now. I did bring a water bottle, spray bottle, just in case I need to wet my hair a little more. Like these pieces right here especially. I'm growing my hair out, trying to get the color completely out of my hair because I want to go completely natural. And so some of these pieces at the end, as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, but they're pretty dry, and I've been cutting it little by little. I know that a lot of people do like the big chop, or you know, whatever they call it, but I really didn't want to do that. I really want to keep my long hair, and I wanted to just kind of try to do it little by little and work my way to completely natural that way. SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask with Shea Butter, Peppermint and Apple Cider Vinegar. So this is the package that it comes in. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to look into this for you, and you can, and I'll put it in the information below, whether or not it comes in another size. I think it does, because I've used other masks by SheaMoisture and I've gotten it in like a little tub. But since this was my first time using this particular mask, I wanted to purchase the smaller version of it to see how I like it. So according here to the package, it says that it's supposed to nourish and renew natural, chemically processed or heat styled hair. The product has no sulfates, no phthalates. I don't know how to say that. I will probably, I'll write it down for you guys, so you'll see it, so you'll know what I'm talking about. There's no parabens, no mineral oil, no animal testing, no petrolatum, Wow, I can't read. And it's sulfate free and it's color safe. And it says that it's made with fair trade shea butter. So that's what that looks like, and that's what it says in the front. In the back, of course, it'll include all the ingredients listed in the back, letting you know that they are cruelty free and ethically traded products are used, or ingredients. And then obviously at the top it does give you more information about how to use this product. And I'm just going to read the instructions for you. After shampooing, apply a generous amount of the strengthening mask from root to ends. Pay particular attention to hair ends. Comb through for even distribution. Place a plastic cap over hair and sit under a warm dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. This product may be left on hair for up to 30 minutes without heat. Rinse thoroughly, style as usual. So, I've already washed my hair. I've already shampooed my hair. Like I said before, I didn't use any conditioner. And now I am going to put this in my hair. I don't plan on, quite honestly, I don't plan on putting a plastic cover in my hair because I don't really have one. I guess I could use a plastic bag, but I just rather not. And I don't plan on putting it under a warm dryer. I'm trying to avoid as much as possible using heat if I can. I still use it here and there, obviously, when I'm diffusing my hair. I'm trying to avoid it as much as I can, so I'm not going to do that also. What I am going to do is I'm going to put it in my hair, make sure it's distributed evenly, and I am also going to leave it in my hair for 30 minutes. I'm gonna do that, and then I will continue on this journey of trying to see if I like this or not. So here we go. Okay. Kind of putting it around my hand, just warming up the product. Oh man, I think I just got some on my nose. It smells pretty good. I mean, it smells like shea butter. Not like super strong, but just, you know, it's a very light smell. It's not a strong smell, which I like because I kind of have like a sensitivity to that, but you know, everyone's different. It doesn't smell like much. It feels really smooth and creamy and a little thick, but not too thick, which I also like because when it's too watery, it just, I don't know, it doesn't really work for my hair. And when it's way too thick, that also doesn't work for my hair because I do have sort of fine curls, so if it's too thick, it kind of weighs my hair down. But again, everyone's different. So as of right now, based on what I'm feeling, smelling, and seeing, I don't know if you guys can see that. I mean, it looks promising, to say the least. So I'm gonna start putting it in my hair. I'm just gonna do this right now because I do want to section my hair. I'm gonna start from down here and start kind of working it through my hair. So I'm working it through my hair. And another thing I'm going to do is I have this paddle brush, so I'm just gonna brush it through my hair. Typically when I shower, I'll shampoo and condition my hair, and when I'm conditioning my hair, I will actually either with a large wide tooth comb that I have in the shower, I'll comb through the product, the conditioner in my hair, or if I don't have that for whatever reason on hand, I will use my fingers to kind of comb through my hair and just be able to distribute the conditioner evenly through my hair. But because today I decided that I was going to show you guys and go over this review with you guys, or I didn't do that. Plus I didn't put conditioner in my hair, so I only do that when there's conditioner in my hair. I don't do that when there's shampoo because I'd pretty much end up ripping my hair. So I didn't do that. So now I'm gonna keep doing this, putting this product all over my hair from the tip to the root, and then I'm going to continue to brush it through my hair to make sure that it's in there evenly. So I am using all of the product. Again, I do have fine hair. Excuse me. I do have fine hair, but it is, I do have a lot. So I wanted to completely saturate it. I wanted to completely saturate it, so I am using all of the product that is in that particular package. And just to let you guys know how much comes in that small package, it says it brings 2 ounces or 57 grams. So it's a good amount. It's enough for my hair. It's enough for what I need, the amount I need. Looked like I was beating my head, like bah, 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 bah. Really trying to get those get that moisture in. That's how you do it, kids. You just beat it into your hair until it's good. Okay. So this is completely all over my hair. I brushed it, combed it all through, and now I'm just gonna clip it up like this. And now I am going to wait. So I am gonna set my timer for 30 minutes, and then I will go back to the bathroom and I will shower and rinse, well, maybe not shower, but wash my hair and take all of the conditioner out of my hair. And so I will be back in 30 minutes. Bye. As you can see, I just got out of the shower. I rinsed out all of the Masque, and I have my microfiber head turban on. So I'm just gonna take this off. It has been 30 minutes, and you know, during 30 minutes I did my makeup a little bit, nothing crazy, but this is what this looks like fresh out of the shower. And automatically I can tell you that my hair does feel a lot smoother and softer, and I feel like it already almost looks a little curlier when wet, because usually my hair doesn't look this curly wet. I have really fine hair, so and I'm usually kind of 2B type to sometimes 3A curly. I think I'm mostly 3A naturally, but I've, you know, done so much damage to my hair over the years and over time that it doesn't curl the way it used to. So I've been definitely working on getting it back to its natural state, how curly it used to be. So it already kind of looks better. It feels way softer than usual. So now I'm gonna style my hair and see what that looks like. And again, I'm gonna list below the products that I used today to style my hair. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take that same microfiber towel that I have. I can either let my hair dry naturally like this on its own, or I can diffuse my hair. So now that all the products are in and I'm satisfied with the way it looks wet. So this is the finished product. I diffused the hair and it's not 100% dry. It's about 90-95%. I usually would completely dry it, but I did get a little impatient, so I didn't. And then once the cast is created from the gel drying, I then use an oil. Usually use the Asna oil, which is this one. It's Amla hair oil. I made a previous video about that, and I just a little bit, and I use that to just scrunch into my hair, all over my hair. It helps to break the cast and also helps to create some shine and just makes my hair feel and look great. And I also use the tea tree oil from SheaMoisture. Again, just a little bit, and I just put it in my scalp everywhere, massage it into my scalp. It helps with hair growth, and also it kind of gives me more volume in my hair, and I really like volume in my hair. I don't like flat hair. So I'm really happy with the results of this mask. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys liked it, if you didn't like it, have you used it, have you not used it, will you use it, and let me know also how you feel about me actually talking instead of doing the voiceover in my last video. It's my first time doing it directly like this without doing kind of like a voiceover, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out, if you guys are gonna like it. If you don't, let me know, you know. And again, leave many questions, comments, like, subscribe, so that I can continue doing this and bringing you guys more information. And thanks for watching. Bye.